Assume a quadruped or hands and knees position, trying to create a neutral spine. You can use a dowel or a broom on your back for an added challenge, but the goal is to maintain that dowel or broom balanced on your lower back as you alternately extend each leg while keeping the knee bent. This can be progressed to more of a traditional bird dog exercise where you alternately extend the opposite arm and opposite leg at the same time, all the while keeping the dowel still balanced on your lower back.